What's the meaning of crocodile? Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile. A crocodile is a large predatory reptile with a long snout, powerful jaws, and armored skin. It's a cold-blooded animal that lives in freshwater habitats like rivers, lakes, and swamps. They are considered apex predators and can hunt a variety of prey including fish, birds, mammals, and other reptiles. Crocodiles are known for their ability to remain motionless for long periods, making them difficult to spot by prey. They have been revered and feared by humans throughout history and are often depicted in ancient mythology as powerful and dangerous creatures.